Good morning, and welcome. It's Jilly Cube, and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with a pour over a pre-used canvas. This, my dogs decide to run in. My canvas is fully dry, and I'm going to just paint right over it and see if I can create something. And besides, I'm doing some tests today on some paints, and I just want to see if what I have in mind will work out. So the first thing that I will do is I think my dogs are having one big racing fest through the house, but anyway, it's never quiet here, so I can't. It's life. So there you go. I'm putting a white base on. This is just my normal white base with the global impasto paints and my pouring medium. If you're looking for the recipe, there is videos and a description in the drop down box underneath this video. You will obtain that. Just click on the title of my video and a drop down box will appear. So that's what I'm doing. I'm coating this, and then I'm going to just introduce some colours to it, and I'm going to let you watch it, and I will just jump in if I feel I need to. So sit back, relax, and come on this experiment with me. So the colours I have added are just black, gold, and I am about to add some heat to it to burst any air bubbles that might be in the paint, and to sort of kind of activate the paint, I guess, when you heat it up. So I am going to layer a bit more. I'm obviously feeling like I need some other colour in there. So what I'm doing is I'm thinking about at the moment, and I've just gotten my little bottle of Amsterdam black that is mixed with just Australian Floetrol. I guess the idea in my head, I wanted to see if I could get the lovely lace bloom effect, but you know, the sort of lace, not the bloom, the lacy bloom thing. So that's why I'm adding the Amsterdam paint with the Floetrol. So the other colour that I added was an orange there. So it's sort of mixing up my colours, and I'm just going to use this little piece of soft plastic file divider, and oh boy, didn't those cells just pop out beautifully. So just gonna turn it around, but look at those gorgeous lacy cells. My camera is not really showing the cells, and I should have brought the camera down closer to show you what sort of really gorgeous cells I got. I did take photos of them, so the photos will be there of the cells. But I was really, really happy with this result. It was just something a little bit different that I hadn't done for a while, and so it's really nice to try things again, things that might have been in your head, that you just give them a go. Try on a smaller canvas maybe, so you don't you sort of ruin a big canvas on a test. But you can't really ruin it, because you could also scrape the paint off into some paper and bin the paint and then wash your canvas off after on the lawn or something. But there's when I wash my canvases off, there's hardly any paint on them because I've scraped it all off into the paper. See this pesky Australian fly that was flying around me? That was annoying. But this kind of lends itself at this point in time to like a reflection swipe, like a city. Like if you let that dry, you could probably paint some buildings in there and have it like a reflection swipe. But of course I have to go that little bit further and see what I can do to create some magic in it, and you will see. So of course I get my little teeny tiny balloon out and just do some balloon kisses in it, and it creates these really lovely little effects of sort of fairies and fireflies, or butterflies and fireflies. It's the areas that the cells sort of went big and misshapen, I was just kissing the balloon in those areas to get rid of sort of odd shaped cells. But it looked really quite 3D after I'd finished and dried. It's like those little balloon kiss areas were like just floating over the lovely laciness of it all. So I was very, very happy with this piece, and actually really happy with the colours. So I'll give you some close-up photos in a minute of the lovely lace that I achieved with this one. So I hope that is kind of another idea for you guys to, you don't have to try the same colours or the same, but, just give things a go that might be in your head. You might see other artists do all sorts of things. Just put your own spin on their ideas. That's perfectly okay. There's no problem. So until tomorrow, my dear people, I will say bye for now. Take care.